Kaizen events are focused, short-term projects aimed to improve a specific area within a business. They are also known as Kaizen blitzes. The concept of Kaizen events is derived from the Japanese management practice called Kaizen, which means to change for the better and emphasize small, continuous, incremental improvement. The events can be applied in all areas of business, professional as well as personal life. Kaizen events typically last from a few days to a week and involve a selected team of employees who focus solely on improving a particular process or area. They are action-oriented and require active participation from all employees within an organization. They are also highly structured, with specific goals set in advance and daily agendas to ensure productive use of time. The Kaizen event begins with creating a task force, usually a cross-functional group, clearly defining the problem and a thorough analysis of the current state. This involves mapping out existing workflows and identifying the inefficiencies or waste. The task force then collaborates intensively to brainstorm potential solutions and then implement those solutions quickly. The goal is to experiment with different strategies in a controlled environment, enabling immediate observation and desired change. At the conclusion of the event, the task force reviews the outcomes, measures the improvements, and documents the process changes. Usually, a 3 reporting is done for documenting everything about the Kaizen events. This documentation is crucial for communicating the changes to the rest of the organization and for providing a blueprint that can be applied to other areas of the business. Moreover, the short span of Kaizen events with an emphasis on quick and visible improvements further helps to build the momentum for a culture of continuous improvement within the organization.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.